This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Sharon Baker. Beautiful one-level living in the City of Williamsburg. This well-built brick home offers lovely hardwood floors, freshly painted interior, updated kitchen, wood-burning fireplace, newer windows, 3 bedrooms, 1 full and 1 half bathrooms, sliding patio door to screen porch, attached 1-car garage, and attractive hardscaped front walkway/entrance, low city taxes, which includes trash removal, recycling, and fall leaf removal. Established Skipwith Farms neighborhood with mature trees, close to restaurants, shopping, high street, the College of William and Mary, Colonial Williamsburg, and a few minutes to I-64. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Baker at 757-814-9440.